Hi, hey there, YouTube. We are here in the gold Jeep. You can see that the bench seat is in here. I apologize, but I'm really upset right now because my computer and the phone basically deleted and destroyed all the footage and work that I did. So yeah, I'm really upset about that. But I'll show you what's under the bench seat at a later time once we start doing the sound deadener and the vinyl flooring kit. I'll have to take the seat back out to do all that, so I'll show you what's going on and talk about some issues that I'm having with what I did. But the vinyl flooring kit I ordered towards the beginning of the month. I chose FedEx as my shipping method. Rock Auto gave it to FedEx. It got to the first location and FedEx would not ship it out to me. They put an exception on it, claiming that there's too many shipping labels on my package. So I've never had that happen before. I've never heard of it. I don't understand why they couldn't just use their shipping label. I don't know. It's stupid. I don't know. Whatever. So after arguing with them, getting a hold of Rock Auto, them opening a case to resolve the issue, enough time went by that I just went to Rock Auto again, requested a replacement. They shipped it out, and so far it's moved through the place that held the last one, and it should be here Friday, which is a couple days away because today is I think Tuesday. So a few days and we'll have that and be installing that. But I am really upset about losing all that footage because I'm upset about what I got going on right here. Because I really wanted to show you guys some of the process. I don't do how-tos, but I did go a little more in depth on this one because I wanted to show you how creative I got and maybe inspire other people to do something cool for their rig. But there it is. I got a 3D printer now, so that's where these knobs came from. I printed them out for the transfer case and doubler in 3 different colors: this green, an army green, and a black, like the floor. I think I'm going to stick with this color because it kind of matches my skull. Not quite. He's a little darker than these, but I can see these at night really well. So they don't glow in the dark. They're just, the black with this bright green stands out in the dark. I guess with white lettering, the other 2 colors would probably work, but I think I like these. So this one works without putting the Jeep in neutral and moving it to neutral and 4 low, which it does do that. I've already tested it. I made both of these out of some stuff that I had laying around. I did buy, the only thing I bought, of course, was the 3D printer. These, the filaments to make these knobs. And I think that was it. No, I bought these a while back, though. These are cup washers. So, let's see. So here's the original shifter. I do like the original shifters. It's just I wanted something more hot rod-ish. Even though this thing kind of has the military-ish theme going, it's still a hot rod because I got my skull and stuff. But I do like these. I just wanted, like I said, I wanted something custom. Plus the 93 and 96 handles are different. They wouldn't quite match, but I could always change that. But I wanted something different, and if I don't like this, then I can always go back to the original because I fully made all this. For the most part, put it together anyway. But I got looking around. I don't ever throw anything away, it seems like, but in this case, it came out to be a good thing. So I had another one of these. You guys probably recognize this as being the handle for the jack that comes with these. It is the right diameter to go into the hole where this end goes after you clean off all the paint and stuff, kind of smooth it up. fits right down in there perfect. So, you know, I drilled the hole. I put a washer on the other side to keep it from sliding this, you know, this way, and welded it all together. I don't have a bend or anything, so I had to make it in several pieces to replicate this end. So I used that, and I could have used this all the way up, but I kind of wanted something cool and shiny. So I got to looking around, and like I said, I don't ever throw anything away. So I had these old shocks laying around. I harvested the rod, just cut off this end, grind down on this washer, knock it off with a hammer, cut into here, drained all the oil as best I could out of here, then cut all the way around, knocked that end off, pulled all the guts out, cut the rod from the piece that's inside, and I had a nice chromed rod. This is pretty strong, hardened stuff. I have seen these bend before. I broke this one trying to bend it because I don't have a torch, but I think the heat would have discolored the chrome, which it did a little bit up here and down here where I welded the pieces together. You can do this all with cutoff wheels and grinders, but I had the lathe, so I made some little beveled ends to weld everything together, get enough material to where these two materials will weld together. Welded a bolt to the end, and then covered it with this rubbery piece, which is actually a thread protector that I cut the closed end off, slid over this after turning it in the lathe, turning it down, and that's just there to keep the cup washer from rattling around so much. And then I think I already showed you I have these inserts that thread onto there. These knobs are not perfect. They have some flaws, but that just adds to the customized do-it-yourself feel, and I'm happy with them. I'm still learning how to use my 3D printer. But yeah, so my battery's about to die, I guess 5%. But anyway, that's all I used for this. Yeah, I'm really bummed out that I don't get to show you guys more. I think I'm really going to like this. I have some ideas for shifter boots and a plate, and I still got to mount this down to the floor. I don't think my cup holder is going to be able to go here anymore, though, so I'm figuring out a way to get rid of the ashtray and mount it up here on the dash. I'm working on something for up in here, too, but at least now I can drive this Jeep. I'm just really upset that I lost all that footage of all the work that I did. So, but yeah, so we'll get to the rest of it, and you'll get to see what's under the bench seat in the next video we do on this thing. But we're going to get back to work on the blue Jeep because all the stuff came in to hopefully fix that engine block. So, hopefully this is enough to inspire people to take what you got and make something cool for your Jeep. This will do it for me. It's working, and I think I'm gonna like it. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Till next time, y'all take care now.